Today we're going to make a quick video of how to remove the light bulbs on this 2008 GMC Sierra Denali for the corners, for the flashing ones, for the turn signals. Alright, so it appears that this is right behind the radiator, so we might have to take this shroud to take this off. So let's go ahead and start by removing all of these retainer clips that are here. Might need a trim tool removal to go ahead and pull these out just like so. So let's go ahead and do that all the way around. After you remove all the retainers, just go ahead and pick this up and move it up here. Now have a little bit of room. Let's see if we can try to work that out. Might need a flathead or not. Let's see if we could work this out. Alright, so I used a flathead to kind of help me out, and here it is. Now we just kind of have to guide this sucker that way. It's crazy. The light bulb's inside. Damn. Well, there it is. You can replace the light bulb now, but given to these circumstances, I guess we have to take the stupid light bulb, the headlight, out. So let's turn this video to removing the headlight on the driver's side. We're gonna have to remove this grill for sure. So have a screw here, have a screw here, probably have a screw down here. So let's go ahead and start removing this grill by removing these 4 10mm screws, and there should be some brackets right in here. You'll have to pinch with a needle nose from the inside. There it is. To release them, here's one and here's the other one. So let's go ahead and remove this grill. And just put these screws in a nice safe location. Now we're going to pinch these down here with a needle nose. Let's see if I can get them out. Yep, we're going to pinch them with a needle nose. Well, I couldn't find needle nose, so I'll have to improvise with these channel locks. So we'll go ahead and, I think I already had that pin pushed out. There it is. So now I'm going to do the other 3. The one at the bottom, and these right here. Boom and boom. Can't really see that one. Or maybe it doesn't. Oh, it just has one. Oh no, it's down there. So let's go ahead and remove all 4, and this grill should just pop right off. You know what? I forgot. I'm sorry. There's a total of 6. One on that corner, and one on this corner somewhere. Right there. Yeah, right there. So let's go ahead and remove the other 2. Okay, so for this Sierra, it looks like it also has some latches down here. So we're just gonna leave this like this. That should be more than enough room to get that headlight out. So we're gonna go ahead and move on. We're gonna remove this 10 and this 10 right here, and just put these in a nice safe location. The shorter one goes on top, the longer one goes at the bottom. Just remember that and you'll be all right. So here at the bottom we have another one, but it looks like it's loose, so we might be able to get it out. Now you just kind of have to work it out from here. It always catches on that right there. So we're going to need our trim removal tool. Okay, and there it is. So let's go ahead and undo this pigtail from here. And that looks like it's the only one there, so sweet. Now let's go ahead and shake this light bulb out of there. Alright, well, shit, this motherfucker looks good still. I think it probably just came off. Let's give it a try. Let's slap it on, connect that pigtail, and turn on the lights. Whoa, you almost fell back in there. Okay, light bulb's back in. Pigtail's connected. Let's go ahead and turn on the hazards. Well, I'll be damned. It's not burned out. I see it has 2 rings in there. What would you call them? posts. Well, it has 4 posts. I guess 2 terminals. So let's see if the amber lights stay on, because those are the flashing ones. Turn off the hazards. Turn on your lights. And there it is. It's working. This light bulb's good, man. Let's go ahead and stick that sucker back in there. And put this whole assembly back together. Don't forget to turn off your lights. Sweet. Let's go ahead and put everything back together now. Now we're going to do everything, but in reversed. So you can see, there's the one. There it is. It's obviously loose. I'm going to go ahead and just leave it the way it is and secure everything back together. Small screw on top. Long screw at the bottom. Okay, just go ahead and secure these down, not too tight. This is plastic. I've seen a lot of these break. Now we're gonna go ahead and just clip it back into place. First we gotta line it up. Just line all these clips up together and smack them into place, and you can see them right there as it touches together. Perfect. Now we'll put our 4 screws right here, right there. Go ahead and grab our cover and just put it into place just like so. Let's go ahead and put in our retainer clips all in position and secure them just like so. And there it is. That is how you remove the headlight assembly for the driver's side. We were just going to replace the light bulb, but we ended up taking the whole assembly off, and that's how you install it back in. Missed the opportunity of making 2 videos. It's alright. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.